So today we are going to find a way to, oh, it's falling apart, cure this little egg that we found. And we're going to use instant UV resin. That's just not going to hold up long enough for overnight resin. So you're going to need, this one I got on Amazon. I don't know the brand name, but you're going to need that and a UV light. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour some in here because I'm going to just like paint it on. I want to get it. I'm going to stick it under the UV light for a couple seconds. Right, and then I'm going to go in and paint it on the inside. I just want to strengthen and preserve the shell because it's so fragile. And it needs like 30 seconds to cure. And then I think after this, I'm gonna put it in full resin just to completely cure it and protect it. And I'll do the 24-hour overnight resin. Getting all messy. Okay, so we have our partially cured egg. We just used a little bit of UV resin on him so that he wouldn't fall apart. I'm going to use a 2-part epoxy resin now. I went ahead and mixed it. It's equal parts A and B, mixed for 2 minutes, and then let it sit for 2 minutes. I have a little circular mold here, and I'm going to set the egg in it. I put the resin down in there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit of the resin inside the egg so we can put our flowers in there. And I kind of want to make sure it's heavy enough. So I'm putting a good base in there for the bottom. So I went ahead and pulled a couple flowers that I think would be cute. And I want to see if I can get a leaf in there. This guy might need to be trimmed even a little more. Some baby's breath here. Just gonna put a little bit of that in. And then I have these yellow, like wildflowers. I'll give it like a little pop of yellow color. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more resin and try to make sure that the flowers are coated as well so that they will be protected. So I added a little bit of extra to kind of beef it up, but that's where we're at. And I'm gonna let that cure for 48 hours, maybe even 72 before I decide to move it. I'll let you know how it turns out. So I've given the egg 48 hours to cure with the resin, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out of the mold. As you can see, there is a little ring of resin around. I'm gonna go get some sandpaper and just sand that down. But we have a nice little ornament from our egg that we found outside.